Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to another session. So in this session, basically we are going to create a new API for storing the comments for your incidents added by analyst into your database. Okay. So you can go to the incident controller. Here you can just create one more version of this method. Okay. That is save comment. Okay. So this will not take much time because we already have one reference implementation ready for storing the incident record. Same we can use for the comment as well. So incident save API request, you can just do one thing. You can just add one more class for this. So do one thing, go to the tools, options, then solution, and okay, this should be tick. Okay, track active items. So this way you will able to see the actual location of your current class in the solution explorer. So this is the actual location. So incident save API, we will create incident comment save API. Okay, in this we will have to add one property only, that is for message or comment. Okay, and then rename this as well, incident comment save API request, and this is your response. I'm just creating for future purpose. If you want to add some additional response as a part of this API, you can use that child class. Go here, save comment. Here use incident save comment API request, get the user ID, go here, get the replica of this method. Generate token we don't require in this class. So just copy, paste, and change the name. Save incident comment. Here also you will get comment, and you will have to create incident comment class object. Incident comment, and in this we are having 3 to 4 fields, so add that. So incident ID we will pass from the UI, right? So that we'll need to add here. I want to add this comment for this incident, so that ID also we need to pass from the UI, and then you can add request dot incident ID like this. Next one is message means comment, request dot comment. So we can keep it consistent, right? So we will call it as message only. So if I rename here, it should rename here as well, don't worry. Okay, so I got that object. I will create one more method, one more version of this method, that is for save incident comment, and here incident comment, you can just rename it to incident comment, and we need to use this table this time, incident comments dot add incident comment. That's it. Go back and here pass it to the incident comment method. If it is save, then we need the response of comment return type also. If it is saved successfully, then it will return true. If it is not true, some error occur. If it is true, then success true. That's it, we are good. Go to the incident controller, call that method, pass the request, user ID, and return the response for comment. Okay, one more thing, who has added the comment? Okay, so that also we need to pass. When added the comment, date time is not there. It is very important field we are missing in this table. Okay, date time, created date. So created date, created date. Why it is not? Oh yeah, this one. Date time dot current time. This one. And one more thing, who has added this comment? In this table we are missing one more important field, that is added by. So added by is your username actually. So that you can add as a foreign key. Added by ID. And here we can as added by as a user. Okay. So this comment is added by currently logged in user only. So currently logged in user means added by ID is equal to your user ID, which we have passed as a parameter to this method from here, from the JWT token. Now let's run this project. Okay, so save comment, try it out. I will call this API through Postman because we cannot pass the token from the UI, Swagger UI. So I will try to call this without token. It will throw the 401. I can get the endpoint from here. So message is this issue should be resolved. Please check. Please try now. Try again. Okay, this is the comment added by analyst for incident number 1. Okay, who has added? Whoever is logged in, so that we can get it from the token who is logged in. So let's do one thing, add the breakpoint, click on the send, come here, see who is logged in. Logged in is 1 means my username. So it will go inside, and then incident comment record has added by my username. Incident ID is 1. This is the message, this is the created date. Now it will throw the exception, that is created date column is not available in the target DB. So we need to added by is also not available. So we need to basically property list specified using foreign key attribute navigation added by. Okay, we need to migrate the database for adding these 2 new columns. So let's do that. So virtual added by ID actually. This is the main cause. But now if I rerun the API again, it will throw the exception. Added by ID and created date is not available in the target database. So that we need to add first, then only we can call this API. Then only we can add the comment. Okay, let's see if it throws the exception or not. If not, then good. Yeah, you can see added by column is not available. Invalid column name added by, invalid column name created it. Now this is the opportunity for us to understand how we can add the missing columns into the database, how we can patch them. We are not going to delete the table, okay? We are going to add the migration to the table. How to add newly added columns, how to update them in the database. Go to the package manager console, call this command add migration, add migration. Okay, added new columns in comments table. Enter. So what it will do, it will get the delta of your database and your entity classes, and you can see the delta here in the migration. Here you can see what we have added newly. We have added this column into this table, added by column. We have added created date into this table, and we added the indexes to both of them. If you apply this migration, it will add. If you de-apply this migration, it will remove them. Now let's go here, use update database command. It will add those two newly created columns into that comments table with errors. Okay, so added by on the table may cause the cycle multiple code paths, specify the delete no action or update no action, modify the foreign key constraint. Could not create constraint in the index. Okay. Okay, so do one thing. I got their point. What they are saying, you have the foreign key of the incident, and incident master has the foreign key of user, right? So why you want foreign key of user again in this table? You don't require that because it will cause the uh, delete cascade cycle problem. If you want user ID, username, you can go to the incident master, then go to the user and get their name. So this is the one way to get that. So why you want to do that again and again? So let's do one thing. Let's update the database. Sorry, let's create one more migration. Table 1. Okay. So this will not add that additional column, and now it will work. Update database. Again error. Incident matter added by ID table comments may cause. Okay, but that I already removed, right? So it is saying that added by ID in the comments table. Added by ID, do we have in this table somewhere? No. Let's remove this as well. This is comment actually. Comment added by ID we will definitely require. Why it is not working? Okay, so we can add no cascade delete something. It will work. This we need to add. Model builder entity and all. Okay, go to your migration file. Okay, add it here. Migration builder. Then wait. There is a problem. Let's go do one thing. Open this file. Added by ID. Added by ID. This is not required. Okay, these both are not required. It will work. Okay, now go here and provide the file name. Sorry, update database. Provide the file name. Yeah, it is working. Now if you go to the comments table, this one, you will get the added by ID as well. You can see this added by ID is there. Okay, now you can add the comment. Run this. And send. Go to the code. Next, go inside. Next, go inside. Next, insert statement complete with the foreign key constraint of incident master. Conflict occur in database. Incident master DB versus incident master column ID. I think what master ID we are sending? Incident master ID. Let's call it again. Maybe that entry is not available in the database. INC ID is 1, right? Yeah, 1 we do not have in the database. We need to pass 2 actually. That's why. Input is wrong. So we need to pass in the 2. It should work this time. Yeah, it is working. You can see result is true, and that's why it will return true here. Success true. If you go to the database, open it, you will see the comment. This is the comment. So this is how we can create a new API for creating the comment in the database. It is pretty straightforward. Let me check what are all new APIs we require so we can plan our next sessions accordingly. So you can see commit is also done. After submission form, save the response in DB as a JSON, also in the each row format. So for this we can create one API. Then once form is saved, show the list of, yeah, we need to create one more API for get list of all incidents. Then once user logged in, redirect to the login page, show only created incidents. Once incident created should be in the read only mode only. Okay, we need couple of more APIs. Actually, 4 to 5 more APIs. So there is considerable amount of work is remaining at API side. Okay, at least we have created 2 APIs now, and let's see how it goes for next sessions. Okay, I will plan few more sessions and we'll wrap up the remaining APIs for this project, and then we can start working on the application. Sorry, Angular part. Let me stop the recording.